Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, guys, how are you today?
Fine,
I'm
alhamdulillah.
fine.
Maybe this afternoon we will have a casual chat about what we want in the future. That each of us will ask the other colleagues, and it will be answered by one in turn. Okay, the first one will be start by myself first to ask for you. Okay, the first question is, what is your ideal job in the future, Ifham?
Okay. My ideal job in the future, if I look at my college major now, is to be a copywriter, YouTuber, or other job related to public speaking, writing, or broadcasting. But currently, I'm also interested to be a businessman and even a cow and sheep farmer. Thank
Okay,
you, Lily.
Ifham. The next is Hasna.
Okay, I
How
want
about
to
you?
be a successful entrepreneur and a teacher who knowledge and can benefit everyone. Thank you.
Okay, next is Pera.
Yeah, in the photo, for me, post, I will continue to bring my idea going from this.
Next, Dwi.
Okay, I want to be an Arabic teacher and translator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, everybody. The next question is, how will you balance your work and personal life in the future? Hana, Hasna.
Okay, I definitely need to be able to ask time management. Time management follows such a calendar and to-do list to organizing my daily schedule. Allocate specific time for work and specific time for family or hobby. Continue to prioritize because that is very important. Thank you.
Thank you, Hasna. Okay, next, Dwi.
Weekday for work and weekend for personal life. For example, self-reward in the form of me time.
Thank you, Dwi. Next, Pera. How about you, Pera?
In the photo, effective strategies di sini. Maybe I will finish and texting of for personal activities.
Okay, thank you, everybody. The next question is, what do you want to accept and deliver in the world of work? Pera.
Okay, of course, I want to contribute the world of work. For example, by improving my skill, my work on team, the giving my best to the company.
Okay, good. The next is Elia Dwi.
Being a career woman, one of the things you want to give is useful knowledge. Thank you.
Next, Ifham. How about you, Ifham?
What I definitely want to achieve is success. But first, I will enjoy my work first. And then I will enjoy the process toward that success. And I will give every time I have and I can to achieve that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next, Hasna.
One, if Kartain is pursuing the pleasure of Allah because everything in the world will not happen if it is not the will of Allah. Then I really want to make people around me happy with the things I have. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, the last question. What advice do you have for the younger generation in preparing for the world of work? Hasna.
Okay. My advice for the younger generation is to development their soft skill, gain as much experience as possible, learn know one how to make a CV and portfolio, and finally take care of their physical and mental health. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, next, Sarah.
Okay, answering the word of war is a big transition for the young generation. For this reason, it's important for the young generation to prefer them well so they can attend and successful in the world of war. Okay, maybe another way because I want to work for and I have the opportunity to continue pursuing a master degree after I get married.
Okay, next, Dwi.
Yeah. For now, I'm only thinking about continue my professional in studies. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ikram.
After graduating, maybe I won't immediately take a master degree. Doesn't mean I don't want to. I want to work first, and after that, if there is an opportunity, then I will try to take a master degree. And if I take a master degree, maybe I will major in communication management. Is not from my major now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next question. What will you do in the future of 5 years from now with the knowledge you have gained? How about you, Dwi?
In the future, I hope to continue helping people by providing information and completing tasks in an efficient and effective manner. I also want to continue learning and developing so that I can be more useful in the future. Thank you.
Next, Vera.
Okay, achieving graduation attempt with the best grade is a dream. The main keys to achieving success include hard work, dedication, and consistent capturing and never give up to achieve graduation until with the best grades.
Okay, next, Ikram.
If I look at my major now, maybe 5 years from now, I will be a journalist or reporter or editor or maybe a YouTuber. Yeah, I don't know, but those are things I can do with the knowledge I get from my current major. Like that. Thank you.
Okay, next, Ririn.
Maybe in the future, I must be useful for myself and others. Thank you.
Okay, next question. How are you going to graduate on time and get the high score? Okay, how about Vera?
Okay, next to achieving success include hard work, dedication, and consistent capturing and never give up to achieve graduation on team with the best grades.
Next, Ririn.
I will try my best with study and prayer, but for the result, I leave it to good. Thank you.
Okay, next, Dwi.
Making a study plan and following it, attend classes and participate in discussion, ask the teacher or tutor for help if you are struggling, study effectively and efficiently, maintain physical and mental health. Thank you.
Last question is, what are your hopes for the education system in Indonesia in the future? How about you, Ipam?
Okay. It's a good question. I don't know what a good education system should be and what it should be. But in my opinion, if every child know their individual skill and can optimize that, and the education system can facilitate, then it will be a good education, I guess.
Okay, next, Dwi.
Education system in Indonesia I hope the education system in Indonesia in the future will be more equitable and inclusive, focus on developing 21 country skill, using technology to enhance learning, and prepare students for success in the real world. Thank you.
Okay, next, Ririn.
Maybe, in my opinion, is prioritize use rules and laws, because if religion is good, automatically everything will be good, inshallah. Thank you.
Next, Pera.
Okay. Hopefully in the future, the education system in Indonesia can be even better and can better facilitate children or there who are still having a problem studying.
Okay, thank you. That's all the question for me. I'll pass it on to Pera.
Okay, thank you. Question number one, do you have plan to get married? How about you, Hasna?
Yes. There is for my own plan. I want to get married at the age of 23. If Allah has allowed and the soul mate is already there. Thank you.
Ririn?
Yes, of course, I have planned to get married, because of course everyone has plans to get married, including myself. Thank you.
Yes, Ilham.
Of course, I have that plan, but maybe 5 to 7 years from now. I think it is trying if someone doesn't want to get married. Thank you.
Next, Dewi.
Yes, I have plans to get married so that I will have friends in my old age. Thank you.
Okay, next question. Yeah, what is your purpose in getting married? About you, Ririn?
For me personally, my goal in getting married is not only to be in love, but to be united in maintaining that trust that Allah has given, so that we can both inspire our taqwa and worship later. Thank you.
Next, Ifham.
The main goal is definitely to achieve ridho Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. And the next goal is because it might be fun to spend old age with love someone. And the other goal is, of course, to have cute children. Thank you.
Next, Hasna.
Okay. What is certain is that is it for worship, because in Islam marriage is a lifelong worship. Thank you.
Next, Dewi.
A way to build commitment, long-term partnership with others.
Okay, good job. The question, what if our future wife or husband will you like? How about you, Ifham?
Okay, my ideal type of wife is someone who has motherhood characteristic and can talk seriously with me, but can also take random things, and be patient with my random behavior, and a woman who is intelligent and can recite the Quran. Doesn't need to be an expert, just in so that in the future she can be a teacher for our children, and someone who can cook reasonably well. Doesn't need to be an expert. To
Okay. Next, Hasna.
Okay, the type of prospective husband that I like is one who must be Muslim, good understand our religious, does not live prayer. Maybe for physical, I like Talmud. Thank you.
Next, Dewi.
Okay, my ideal partner is understand religion, kind, gentleman, and love family. Thank you.
Next, Ririn.
Okay, maybe when talking about different types and standard, yes, for the type for husband that I like basically, maybe the person is cool and pleasant to look at and most importantly, but smiling, good and clean. While not basically, I want a husband who always strive for the good of the helper and happiness of me and my family and the future. But as for standard, I want a husband who understands religions and has noble character. Thank you.
Okay. Next question. What do you have for the future of your marriage? What about you doing?
For humans, a happy marriage is one that is based on love, trust, and respect. Yeah, thank you.
Next, Ilham.
I hope that my marriage can last until death does us part and become a Sakinah Mawaddah Warahmah family and give birth to Soleh and Soleha children. Thank you.
Next.
Okay, for the first question is, what value are most important to you in a relationship? How about you, Vera?
Uh,
In my opinion, the important value in a relationship is communication because the main key to a relationship is being open to each other. Thank you.
Okay, next, how about you, Hasna?
Okay, the most important thing in relationship may be communication, trust, honesty, loyalty, respect, with empathy and high communication. Thank you.
Okay, next, Ririn, how about you?
Thank you. Maybe the most important to make in a relationship is trust, loyalty, communication, understanding, and complementing each other. So,
Okay, the last, Ifham, what about you?
in my opinion, the important values in a relationship are mutual understanding, openness or honesty, trust, and communication. Thank you.
Okay, next question. How do you define happiness in a romantic relationship? How about you, Hasna?
Spend time together, maybe.
Okay, Ririn?
everyone definition for happiness in relationship is different. But for me, personal, to define happiness in relationship is to make each other happy by living calmly with a partner, maintaining communication, understanding, and supporting each other, and of course, praying of each other. Okay, thank you.
Okay, next, Ifham.
In my opinion, happiness is when we mutual trust, mutual understanding, and when she is always there to listen my daily story and support me or vice versa. Thank you.
And Vera?
Have where each other support and takes care of each other.
Okay, the next question, El.
Next question. What are your expectations for communication in relationship? Ifham?
Communication is important thing in relationship, and I hope my communication with her will always be good by always speaking honestly and openly with each other, so that we avoid understanding that can damage our relationship. Thank you.
Ririn? How about you?
Maybe my hope for communication in my relationship is definitely open communication and maintaining communication itself. Thank you.
And Vera? How about you?
Common in I hope it to always will good and often communication with each other.
And last, Hasna.
Expectation in communication. Well, I hope to communication well and be open to each other so as not to cause a misunderstanding. Thank you.
Next question is, how do you manage difference of opinion? Or how about you, Hasna?
Stay calm, focus on the problem and solve it well, respect difference and open communication. Thank you.
And Ifham?
Uh, if there is a difference of opinion or there is a conflict, maybe I will listen to her opinion first. Then I will explain my opinion, and we will discuss the matter. Maybe there will be a debate normal, I think. And after that, we will both look for middle ground. And after a middle ground is found, we must accept and understand each other. Thank you.
Okay. And Rilin?
Maybe what is certain is that there must be a good communicating if there are difference of opinion or conflict. Thank you.
Okay, last, Vera.
Okay, of course, I will continue to learning and develop my potential in order to achieve the goal I want.
First question from me. What kind of life do you want in the next 5 years? Okay, the first person to answer is Vera.
Okay, of course, in the future, I want to be successful, rich, and be useful to all people.
Okay, thank you, Vera. And the next person is Lirin. Let's Lirin.
Maybe probably like smart people. They are successful in everything, inshallah, in live in privacy, and the most important thing is to live with istiqomah in obedience. Thank you.
Okay, good job, Lirin. And the next person is Elia Dwi. Let's Dwi.
In 5 years, I want to have a steady job, a harmonious family, and I want to help people in more ways. Okay, thank you.
Okay. And the last person, Hasna. Let's Hasna.
Okay, I hope that in 5 years I will have a job and a big salary while managing my own business. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your answer. And the next question is, what is the biggest change you would like to see in yourself in the? Okay, the one person to answer is Ririn. Let's Ririn.
Maybe the biggest change I would like to see in myself is istiqomah in obedience and more discipline in everything. Thank you.
Okay, always istiqomah. Yes, Ririn. Good. And the next person is Elia. Let's Elia.
I want to be able to learn and develop faster. I also want to be able to understand and interact with the world around me better. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Elia. And the next, Hasna.
Okay, the change that I want to see is self-confidence. I hope in the future my self-confidence is really solid and development. Thank you.
Okay, good job, Hasna. And the last is Vera. Let's Vera.
Okay, I want to be better than, of course, to be able to make my.
Okay. Then is Elia.
Step
Let's go,
to
Elia.
achieve the goal, I will keep learning, collaborate with others, and provide.
Okay, thank you. That's the last question from me, everyone. And then I will to Ririn. Let's go, Ririn.
Okay, guys. Thank you for your answer and question. Okay. thank you, participate everybody. Okay. Nah,
Okay, thank you guys.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. No what to add really. Thank you
No.
everyone. Thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone, guys. See you next
Uh,
one.
Di
What they don't do shit.